Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In the today's session, I am sharing the frequently asked Java entry questions and answers for automation test engineer. So I'm going to share you the top 15 Java entry questions and answers for automation testing engineer. So if you are a fresher or minimum 2 to 3 years relevant experience in automation testing with the combination of Java, Selenium, then these entry questions definitely helpful to crack the interviews. Okay, so the first entry question is, as everyone knows, the first entry question, tell me about yourself or introduce yourself. Okay, this is the common question for any interview. The first one is how you use inheritance concept and where you use in your project. What is the main purpose of inheritance and where used in your project? Selenium testing project, you might use inheritance to create a base class with common methods and properties shared across different pages. Subsequent page classes then extend the base class to inherit the common functionalities. So you can, if you explain any answer with some scenarios or example, then interviewer definitely impress with your answer, and there are chances are there to crack the interview. And the next question is, have you used map and set in your project? Again, for this question, you have to explain by taking a few scenarios to explain the concept. Suppose a map is there. Okay, so map can be used to store test data in key value pairs. So this can useful when you need to organize and retrieve data efficiently, especially in data-driven testing scenarios. And apart from that, we have to give some examples as well. Okay, okay, you can see here. So this is the one of the example. You can explain with the example. And set, where used set, handling unique values. Sets can be useful when dealing with the collections of unique values. For example, when you want to store list of unique elements or perform operation on unique set of data. So you can explain with the example. Okay. And the next question is, explain the concept of method overloading and method overriding. So this is one of the common entry questions for freshers, absolutely for freshers, and also who have minimum 2 to 3 years of experience candidate. Also, you can expect frequently asked entry question. This one for Java developers as well as automation test engineer. So method overloading is like method names must be same, but their signature, method signature is different. Here, signature means a different parameter, return type, and some order of the data. Then what about method overriding? It occurs when a subclass provides a specific implementation for a method that is already defined in its superclass. The method signature in the subclass must match the method in the superclass. Okay, next question is, what is the difference between array list and linked list? And can you explain system.out.println? And next question is, can you explain public static void main string args explain? Okay, these are the definitely asked into questions for freshers and below 3 years of experience candidate. And next question is, how interface can be connected to runtime polymorphism? Okay, and here and next question is, the entry want check your coding skills as well. Okay, how much you understand about objects, string related concept. How many objects will be created in the following code? Okay, so you can tell the answer, guys. How many objects will create for this example? Only one object will be created because strings are immutable nature. Once you create the string literal object, it will check in the string constant pool whether this string is existed or not. Once it finds the existing string, then it won't create the new object. Instead of creating new object, it just give a reference. It refers to the another string. Therefore, only one object is created for this example. Okay. And the next question is, what is polymorphism? Can you explain different types of polymorphism? And what do you know? And next question is, what do you know about exception handling and difference between throw and throws? And what is file in and what is file out? So these are all the most common asked entry questions for automation test engineering guys in these days. And how to write the data for notepad, can you write the code? Okay, and what is abstract and interface with examples. And next question is to check your coding skills, can you write a Java program like to find a factorial of the given number using recursion concept. Okay, and next question is how will you handle multiple exceptions. So these are the few of the most asked Java entry questions for automation test engineer who have below 3 years of experience candidate. Anyhow, I will share more entry questions in the future videos. So if you really love this information, hit the like button and don't forget to share to your social networking platform. So I will come back with one more useful content video. Thank you very much.